Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to reset the Windows Task Manager back to default in Windows 10. This should be a pretty straightforward tutorial, guys, and without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So if for some reason you're having different issues, perhaps the details, panels are missing, or they're in a different position and you just want to restore it back to default, I'm going to show you guys how to do it. So we're going to start by opening up the Start menu. Type in Windows PowerShell. Best match should come back with Windows PowerShell listed right above App. Go ahead and right click on that and then select Run as Administrator. If you receive a user account control prompt, go ahead and select Yes. In the description of my video, I want you guys to copy it and then go up to the top bar of the Windows PowerShell window here, right click on it, select Edit, and then select Paste to paste in the command. Like I said, will be in the description of the video. And once that's done, you should close out of here. What's it, just restart your computer just to be safe. And once you restart and then you attempt to open up the Task Manager, it should appear back in the default mode. So pretty straightforward tutorial, guys. I do hope that I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.